Every year, tons of furniture is thrown away. Not because it's broken, but because people just don't want it anymore. As the world's largest furniture retailer, we had to do something. So we started by making a bold statement. We claimed the day that's all about buying, 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 to talk about not buying. How? By reversing Black Friday, literally. Introducing Bring Back Friday. Instead of calling on the Dutch to go shopping, we invited them to resell us their used IKEA products, furniture that would otherwise end up in the trash. We launched a Corona-proof 360 campaign that was quickly picked up by the media.
Black Friday komt IKEA met tegenhanger Bring Back Friday.
Bring Back Friday.
Bring Back Friday.
Buy back thousands of pieces of used IKEA furniture.
Customers could simply register their pre-loved furniture online and immediately receive a price offer for which IKEA would buy it back. The campaign was such a success that all available time slots were booked within 5 days. More than 240,000 people registered their used furniture. And huge numbers of people came to our stores to buy absolutely nothing. And with a total reach of 26.2 million impressions, we hope to have inspired many people to make more sustainable choices in the future. Within a few days, we had exceeded our goal of brought back goods by 480%. A total of 19,061 IKEA products were brought back, and we are still counting, since the Bring Back service is here to stay, creating a better everyday life for the many people.